Hi everyone! I have a packet of cows. Are you excited? Let's open it. Let's arrange the cows in the cow shed. Here comes the cows. Here is the calf. Here is the farmer. And here is some milk for the calves. We have some hay for the cows. Did you have fun? See you in the next video. Bye.